What would happen to your garden if you stopped feeding plants and started energizing the soil life that feeds them for you?
Welcome to Dr. Mercola's Cellular Wisdom. Stay informed with quick, easy-to-listen summaries of our latest articles, perfect for when you're on the go. No reading required. Subscribe for free at mercola.com for the latest health insights.
Hello, and welcome to Dr. Mercola's Cellular Wisdom. I'm Ethan Foster. Today we're looking at why biostimulants, natural compounds like humic acids, seaweed extracts, beneficial microbes, and chitosan often outperform fertilizers by regenerating soil biology, improving nutrient efficiency, and building long-term resilience.
I'm Alara Sky. Biostimulants don't act like conventional plant food. Instead of dumping minerals into soil, they activate processes inside plants and within the soil microbiome. The result is stronger roots, better nutrient uptake, improved stress tolerance, and soils that hold water and structure season after season.
Fertilizers and biostimulants work through different pathways. Fertilizers supply nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Biostimulants help you use what's already there by enhancing ion transport, supporting redox reactions, and improving photosynthesis and respiration. When those internal systems run efficiently, you get more growth from the same inputs and less waste.
Let's break down the key categories. Humic and fulvic acids, formed as organic matter decomposes, act like a soil hydration and nutrient holding aid. They feed microbes, expand root systems, and improve crumb structure. Gardeners often notice looser, richer soil and plants that tap minerals more easily, which supports yield and long-term fertility.
Seaweed extracts build resilience under heat and drought. They provide amino acids and plant hormones that support amino acid synthesis and water retention. As a foliar spray, seaweed helps leaves stay productive during dry spells and supports faster recovery after stress, which keeps crops greener and more consistent.
Beneficial microbes include mycorrhizae, rhizobia, and protective species like trichoderma. Mycorrhizae extend root reach for phosphorus and water. Rhizobia deliver bioavailable nitrogen through symbiosis. Protective microbes crowd out root pathogens. Together, they create a living network that reduces disease pressure and the need for chemical interventions.
Chitosan, derived from crustacean or insect shells and also from mushrooms, strengthens cell walls, reduces water loss, and primes plant defenses. Gardeners report better resistance to rot and fungal issues and improved storage life in harvested produce when chitosan is part of the program.
The biggest advantage is sustainability. Heavy fertilizer use can degrade soil biology and increase runoff. Biostimulants do the opposite. They rebuild structure, increase water holding capacity, and support beneficial bacteria and fungi. Over time, your soil becomes more fertile on its own, so you rely less on purchased inputs.
There's a useful way to think about pairing the two. Fertilizers focus on supply, biostimulants focus on efficiency. When you improve cellular energy handling and nutrient transport, each unit of fertilizer goes further. That means lower cost, steadier yields, and less nutrient loss into waterways.
Global agriculture is moving this direction for practical reasons. As pressure grows to increase output without exhausting land and water, biostimulants improve nutrient use efficiency and cut waste. A helpful framework groups them into protein hydrolysates, humic and fulvic acids, seaweed extracts, chitosan, and select inorganic compounds like silica or selenium, each matched to a growth stage or stress profile.
Protein hydrolysates supply amino acids that support root strength and stress tolerance. Humic substances improve absorption and soil texture. Seaweed aids water balance and heat recovery. Chitosan fortifies tissues and immunity. Inorganic supports such as silica reinforce cellular structure. Used intentionally, these tools boost germination, root development, color, shelf life, and antioxidant defenses.
You also support the underground ecosystem. Biostimulants encourage diverse bacteria and fungi that recycle organic matter into plant-ready nutrients. As that network expands, soil becomes easier to work, less compacted, and more reliable through weather swings, which shows up as consistent harvests.
If your beds feel compacted or tired despite compost, focus on restarting biology. Begin by feeding the living network. Add humic or fulvic acids through a compost tea or a liquid soil enhancer. That primes microbes, improves water holding, and helps roots access minerals with less stress.
Pair biostimulants with nutrient-dense compost or natural amendments. Combine seaweed extract, humic substances, or microbial inoculants with compost, worm castings, or well-aged manure. You give steady nourishment while expanding microbial activity, which deepens roots and improves heat and drought tolerance.
Apply seaweed extract on a 2-week cadence as a foliar spray, especially before or after extreme weather. You support sturdier growth, better water management, and steady flavor development in fruits and root crops. This simple schedule helps plants recover quickly after stress.
Inoculate at planting. Dust seeds or root balls with mycorrhizal fungi, or water in liquid inoculants that include rhizobia for legumes. These living partners expand nutrient access from day one and help maintain soil vitality across seasons, reducing the need for rescue treatments later.
Add a chitosan spray monthly for natural disease protection. You reinforce cell walls and prime innate defenses without synthetic fungicides. This sets a baseline of resilience so minor pressures don't escalate into crop-ending problems.
Remember what to expect. Fertilizers can give a quick green up, but long-term vitality comes from biology. When you lead with biostimulants and compost, you rely less on chemical boosts, cut runoff, and build soil that performs better each year. That's how you protect yields while improving quality.
You can extend this beyond your backyard. Support growers who enrich their soils with compost, humic substances, seaweed, microbial inoculants, and chitosan. Purchasing from farms that prioritize biology over chemistry helps rebuild regional soils, safeguard water, and deliver nutrient-dense food.
If you're new to this, keep it simple. Choose one soil biostimulant for roots, humic/fulvic or a mycorrhizal inoculant, and one foliar for resilience, seaweed or chitosan. Pair them with quality compost. Track plant vigor, leaf color, and water needs for 6 weeks. Your notes will show which inputs deliver the clearest gains.
Here's today's challenge. Select one bed or a set of containers and run a 6-week trial using humic or fulvic acids in the soil and seaweed extract as a foliar every 2 weeks, paired with compost. Log root growth, leaf firmness, and stress recovery after heat. Use your results to set next season's baseline. Thank you for watching Dr. Mercola's Cellular Wisdom. We'll see you on the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.